Genchi genbutsu, my friends. Genchi genbutsu. Go and see. This is a Toyota thing. It's a core pillar of the Toyota way. But I ran out of space for that poster. Anyway, the equivalent of going and seeing, physically bring the engineer to the stuff, is like having stuff in your hands while you're designing. You want the hardware and the tools and the stuff where you can notice great ideas. I don't know. I'm pretty sure 90% of my good ideas only happened when I had physical equipment around me. And so you start with the low cost good things. I just realized you can load this fiberglass material in a bending arrangement and it's still strong. And I just didn't even try that before. Here's a tent pole. And I can just bounce on it. 80 pounds, 100 pounds, no problem. That means for sure it can tolerate twisting as well. By the way, these tent stake things, tent poles, you can drill them out and just find that dimple there. They're just, just like that. And then it just takes a little, close that up, and then we're gonna clank at it. For every video I share, there's like 100 times more discoveries that I make. And I wish I could just have people here, because it's this is where all the good ideas come from. Today I learned that if you're trying to hold something in place with the hot glue, that can be fussy, and you can basically like supercharge how fast it solidifies with the, ready to blow it. I also learned that you can tap the ends of these because they have holes in them, which gives us one more way to attach them. This is giving us lots of flexibility. This thing, so with it being that strong, we ought to be able to make trusses with it. And so this is a beam that would, a web. The web is the catty corner diagonals that go between two members on a truss. And so we'll get a revision 1. I really don't want to do this project. Someone else ought to tag team this thing because I've got too many projects. So once again,